What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again. As you can see, still outside. It's hot. Sunday fun day, right? But today's video, the Wicker build. Just got done mounting it all up. And give you guys a quick look at what I got going on. 392A knuckle white. Hey, drive it like you stole it, right? But yeah, got the Wicker build already mounted up. Got it dead centered. Now I just got to go ahead and do the drilling process with the 3/8. Start with the pilot bit, finish it through with the 3/8. Other than that, I mean, there's really not much to it. I've seen a couple other videos from watching to see how to do it on YouTube, and it's kind of like everybody was just kind of overdoing it when it's really not that hard of a process. You know, it's just pretty much common sense, you know. But yeah, let me get to it. Let me go ahead and mount you guys up, see if y'all can watch me work. Drilling process is done with the 3/8. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove the Wicker build itself. Go ahead and put in the riv nuts. Go ahead and press them and finish on with the installation. All right, guys. Okay, now when I got when I ordered from ZL1 add-ons, you had the option to, I'm sorry, you guys can't even see my face. You had the option to buy the tool. I didn't. It was overpriced on the website, I will say that. It's cheaper just to buy from your local parts store if you got a Northern Tools. I mean, you know, I'm here in Georgia. We got plenty of them everywhere. Find your local parts store. All it is a rivet gun. I don't know what else to call it, but yeah, I think on the website for Z1 add-ons like an extra 26 to 28 bucks. Luckily, my neighbor had this one. The guy you saw bring me the Red Bull earlier in the last video. But yeah, I mean, whatever floats your boat. If you got it, pay for it. If you don't, I recommend going and buy one from your local parts store. It'll be much cheaper. Alright, let's get it. So instead of starting out with the 3/8 straight on through, I started out with the half. You know, didn't even start out with a pilot. Started out small, worked my way bigger. But yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, I was wrong. So I did use the 3/8. Brain fart. It's hot out here. What I did forget is that on previous videos that I did watch, the 3/8 is not a direct fit to the washer, the riv nut. My bad. So what you have to do is you have to hone it out just a little bit, not too much. You don't want to go overkill with it. Just enough to get it to sit flush. That's what I'm gonna do now. Let me go ahead and position you guys. I'm sorry, man. Sorry, my YouTube peoples. I'm so sweaty, but it's hot out here. There we go. Sitting flush. Sitting flush. Now let me show y'all what I was talking about. If I wasn't to hone it out, that just is not going to fit at all. So yeah, let me go ahead and do the rest of these, and I'm gonna get right back to y'all. All right guys, got them all in, sitting flush. Sorry I couldn't film the process, but just remember what I said. The 3/8 is not accurate enough to just have them go ahead and sink in. So you have to hone it out a little bit more than what the 3/8 is doing. All right. Next is to go ahead and flare them. I don't think I need to show you guys how to flare them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish the process, and I'm gonna get back to you guys to show you the end results. All right. Here's the finished product. Wicker build install. Wicker build, whatever you want to call it. Whatever floats your boat. With the diffuser. Y'all let me know what you think. It took longer than I expected. Ran into some minor problems, but worked through it. That's it. We out. Alright guys, that's it with the Wicker build install. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. That's it. Thank you.